how to promote RedBubble products on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote your products of RedBubble on Instagram. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm on RedBubble right now, and over here, as you can see, I have a lot of things going on over here. We have all these different types of products and stickers and stuff like that, and you can do the same thing. You can create your design over here and upload them, and then make products off of them and earn money as well. That's exactly what Redbubble is. But for those of you who don't know, I mean, everyone knows Redbubble, but for those of you who don't know what Redbubble is, well, basically it's a site where you just simply have to upload a design and make products, like print on demand product website. So this is a print on demand product website, and over here all you have to do is just upload your product and they will make the product for you. So for example, like over here, a person just has to upload this design element right here, and then the shirts and phone cases and all of these things were made of this design. So like the shirt, like the sticker, like the phone case, like all of these stuff were made on this design element right here on these eyes. So that's the same thing. That's what we're gonna do as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and create a product, right? So to create a product, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an account. We've already created an account, and when you do, just simply click on your profile icon, and over here click on sell your art. If you click on sell your art, it's gonna take you over to this part of the website where you just simply have to create your product. So you just have to set up your shop, create a product, and get paid. That's basically it. So I've already created a design, so let me just show you how it looks like. So all I have to do is just simply click on add a design element over here and click on upload new work. And over here we have a bunch of different options. So I have these NFTs that I made earlier, and we can go ahead and upload all of these designs as well. So we can do that, or basically would like to, like, let me just get this bigger. I would like to make a product out of these images right here that I made earlier, like over here, but it's not a PNG. So I would have to remove the background and just simply upload the PNG. So let me just go over to this website called remove.vg. In this website, we just basically upload an image and it removes the background. That's what basically it does. So let's go ahead and upload this image right here. We're going to remove the background, and boom, there we go. That's it. Now all I have is this boo sticker. So we're going to download it in HD, right? Actually, we're just simply going to download it, and I'm just simply going to put it over here in downloads, save it over there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to Redbubble, and I would like to replace this image. Go over here and just upload the image that I had. Okay, so this is the image that I have. As you can see, it looks really nice. Now I'm just simply going to give it a title. I'm going to call it Ghosty. Cute little ghost over there. Cute NFT and illustration. Boom, there we go. And over here in the description, I basically wrote that it's an NFT of a cute ghost. So, and then if you scroll down below, you will see your product over here. So you will see your stickers, you will see it on clothes, on phone cases, on mouse pads, desk mats, curtains, mugs, travel mugs, all these things, and you can choose which products you want. So I would like to have it on shirts as well, and on caps. I would like to have stickers, yes, on phone cases, on mouse pads. I would also like to have it on mugs and travel mugs as well, on the tablet case and clock as well. So yeah, that's basically, and water bottles as well, why not? And then pin buttons, sure, and wallet phones as well. And once everything is done, all you have to do, and also this face mask as well. So yeah, why not? And once everything is done, all you have to do is scroll down at the bottom, and over here you will see the media. You have to select up to two. So we select design and illustration and digital art, and anybody can see this, yes. And default product in your shop is going to be scarf, it's going to be everything. So I'll basically say a sticker. Here we go. Is this mature content? No. And then agree to the terms and services and click on save work. Then just wait a couple of seconds for your work to be added, and there you go. The process has been complete. You've uploaded your design, and Redbubble has made all of these products for you. So as you can see, they all look really nice. They're really, really cute, and yeah, you can just now go ahead and start to promote them as well. So how do you basically promote them? So basically, once you've created your Instagram account, you're gonna need to have like hashtags. So that's what it basically works on. So basically, if I come over here and search for hashtag NFTs, I will see I have 4 million posts that have the hashtag NFT on it. That's how we basically promote them. Same with clothes and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a website. We're going to tell you about a website where we can find these hashtags that can help us to promote our product. And that website is called Big Bag Ram. Now, this is a website where you can get like hashtags, and you can use it on social media advancement as well. Like it works on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, fonts, hashtag generator, post scheduler, Instagram bot, direct messenger. Like it has all these different things as well. And we could use this to help us generate leads as well. So let's go ahead and click on best hashtag generator. It's going to take us over here, and over here we have to enter up to 5 keywords that match our product. So let's go ahead and say cute, right? And we'll say RedBubble, we'll say NFTs, and we would also like to say shirts. 1 2 3 4, and we need one more. We'll call it ghost. There we go. Now we just simply click on generate hashtag. All right, it'll take up to 30 seconds to analyze it, and after you get your results, you have to choose 3 to 4 high, meaning hard ones, 6 to 8 medium, and 12 to 16 low. With this type of hashtags, we're going to maximize our post impressions as well. So let's just go ahead, wait for a couple of seconds and let it do its thing, and we'll come back and copy those hashtags and put them on our post. Okay, well, that site didn't work, so I'm over here on this website called allhashtags.com, and over here this is basically similar, and it gives us generates some hashtags for us. So now I enter in this keyword over here, redbubble dot over here, and I clicked on generate, and it generated 21 of the best hashtags for us. So hashtag redbubble artist and stuff like that. So we can go ahead and copy this hashtags. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a post, and to create a post we have to come over here onto Instagram, or we just go over here onto our Redbubble products, and we start to promote our product. So to promote a product, when you create a product, you will see the share button at the top, and over here we just simply share it. So we can go ahead and share it on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Pinterest, and on Facebook as well. The same thing we can do is we can go ahead and promote our product on Instagram. So just simply click on create a post and select from your computer. So let me just go ahead and actually save this image as well, so that I can put it on Instagram. There we go. Now we just go ahead and select a image. Yes, here we go. This is the image. All right, click on next, and now we just add in like add in over here the hashtags. All right, and we also add in some of our product code and stuff like that. Then we just enter in the link over here. We just copy the link and also paste it over here, and then we just simply click on share. So that is how you basically promote Redbubble products on Instagram, and how you can generate hundreds and hundreds of leads. So remember guys, just come on to Redbubble, create an account, create some products, go to this website, generate some hashtags, different hashtags, then go to Instagram and post it. It's very simple. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and hope to help you and help you fix your problem for you. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. Like I said that, we'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.